How do I locate UPS access points near me?
Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we'll be going over how to locate UPS access points near you. Whether you need to send a package or receive one, UPS access points are convenient and flexible locations for package drop-off and pickup.
What are UPS access points?
Before we start, let's understand what UPS access points are. These are local businesses, like grocery stores or gas stations, that UPS partners with to provide a secure location for package delivery. UPS access points offer a variety of services including package drop-off, pickup, and even some packing services.
How to find UPS access points?
Locating UPS access points is quite easy and straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the UPS website. The first step is to navigate to the UPS website. It's your hub for all things UPS. 2. Navigate to the Locations tab. Once on the website, look for the tab at the top of the page labeled Locations. Click on it. 3. Enter your location. You'll see a box labeled Find Locations Near. Enter your address, city, or postal code here, then click the Find button. 4. Filter results for UPS access points. After the search results load, look for the filter options. Select the checkbox for UPS access point locations to see only these locations. Remember that the availability of UPS access points may vary depending on your location.
What to keep in mind while using UPS access points?
Using UPS access points comes with some considerations. 1. Hours of operation. UPS access points are businesses like convenience stores or dry cleaners, and their hours of operation may vary. 2. ID requirement. For package pickup, you'll typically need to bring a government-issued photo ID to verify your identity. 3. Package size restrictions. Some UPS access points may have restrictions on the size of the packages they can handle. 4. Hold time. Packages are usually held for 7 days before being returned to the sender. By keeping these points in mind, you can ensure a smooth and convenient experience when using UPS access points. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to locate UPS access points near you. By understanding what they are and how to find them, you're now equipped to make your shipping and receiving process more convenient and flexible. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping!